Hello students, in our online classes, today our topic is question tags. What is question tag? Question tags are short questions that are used to confirm the statement whether is it or not. And these question tags are used in spoken English when you want someone to agree or disagree. When you want someone to agree or disagree. And these are short questions added with the statement to confirm the statement. Question tags are made using an auxiliary verb and subject pronoun. Only two things are used in question tags. First is auxiliary verb that is given in the statement, and if not given, use do, does or did as we use in simple sentences like that. First thing auxiliary verb, and second thing subject pronoun. According to the subject we use the pronoun in the question tag. Only two things you have to use in question tags. And negative question tags are usually contracted, means they are written in short form, not in full form. For example, it is warm today. This is a positive sentence. It is warm today. And this is the question tag. It will become negative. Isn't it? Because the helping verb is given here is, so we use is, and the subject is it, so we use it. Only two things we have to use in the question tag. First is helping verb and subject. But don't use like this, no it is not. This is the wrong. Don't use in this way, no it is not. It is the wrong question tag. Usually if the main clause is positive, like this sentence, this is positive. Usually if the main clause is positive, the question tag is negative in this way. If it is positive, then it will be negative. And if the main clause is negative, then the question tag will be positive. If this sentence is in positive form, negative form, then the question tag will be in negative form. For example, it's cold. Here this is a positive sentence and its question tag will be in negative form. Because this statement is in positive form, so the question tag is in negative form. It isn't cold. This is in negative form, so the question tag will be in positive form by using only helping verb and the pronoun. Now, two main things. If the main clause has an auxiliary verb in it, if there is auxiliary verb is, are, am, was, were, has, have, if these are given in the verb, then you have to use the same in the question tag. If the helping verb is given in the statement, then you have to use the same in the sentence. If there is no auxiliary verb, and if these helping verbs or auxiliary verbs are not given in the statement, then use do, does or did according to the sentence or tense as we use in simple sentences, and then change it into or add the question tag. For example, I am late. Here one exception is here. With am in question tag we do not use am, we use are. I am late because this is positive, so its question tag will be in negative form. Aren't I? I am not fat. Here this is in negative form, so the question tag will be in positive form. Am I? He is late. This is positive sentence, so the question tag will be in negative form. Isn't he? He is not late. This is in negative form, so the question tag will be in positive form. So in this way, you have to add the question tag with the statement to confirm the statement.